everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Am I audible and visible? Okay, let's wait for a few people to join today. The number of people who have joined are only 13. I guess today the net link was not shared with them. That is why they are thinking that the class is not there. Okay, till the time they come, okay. अच्छा, पहले ही raise कर दिया. Yes, Apur, do you have any question?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
मैम लास्ट क्लास में कुछ वर्ड्स था जिसका वर्डिंग आना था.
Okay, you can ask.
वो में से स्टेप डाउन.
Sorry?
स्टेप डाउन.
I didn't get the word.
स्टेप डाउन.
Can you just repeat or maybe spell the word, please?
STUBDOWN.
Stubborn. Stubborn.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
that's stubborn. Stubborn means when somebody is very rigid about something, ziddi, that person is called as stubborn.
Nullify.
Nullify, it means when you nullify the effect, means when you diminish the effect of something. When you completely eliminate.
Repeat, ma'am.
I'm saying when you remove the effect of something, किसी चीज के effect को बिल्कुल zero कर दो is nullify.
Notorious.
Notorious is a person who is a little mischievous, involved into some notorious activities, मतलब naughty activities.
Chaos.
Chaos is confusion.
Blind.
Sorry?
Blunt.
Blunt, a person who is a straightforward.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, so we have 41 participants now. We can commence for the class. So good evening, everyone. I hope you all are doing well, and I hope you have revised everything which we have done in the last class. We were doing about weaknesses, we did that, then we did a listening activity. Guys, I have got to know that आपको ना वो song जो है समझ इसलिए नहीं आ रहा था क्योंकि आपको उसकी English नहीं समझ में आ रही थी. It wasn't like that the word was not clear. Okay, I did the same thing in another class and they were able to listen to it. Yes, they said that, ma'am, it is difficult to understand because the essence of the words were pretty difficult. Okay, लेकिन अगर आप उस पूरे पैराग्राफ को सुनते कम से कम 2 पैराग्राफ को तो यू वुड हैव रियलाइज कि उसमें से आपको बाकी सारे वर्ड समझ आते. आपने पहला लाइन सुना और पहले लाइन सुनते ही मुझे क्या, नहीं 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 नहीं, इट्स नॉट क्लियर, नॉट क्लियर. नो, यू हैव टू वेट एंड लिसन टू द होल सॉन्ग एंड देन रियलाइज कि उसमें आपको स्टार्टिंग के 2 वर्ड्स तो नहीं समझ में आएंगे. आई एम वेरी मच श्योर, क्योंकि वो वर्ड जो है वो वर्क है और एक था स्वीप, जिसको वो इस तरीके से बोलता है फास्ट वे में दैट इट वाजंट ऑडिबल टू मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल. सो दैट इज फाइन. लेकिन उसके बाद जितने भी वर्ड्स थे लाइक टच, हार्ट एंड यू नो all those words were very prominent. Anybody could have listened to it and catch that word. It's okay, we'll no worries, but we don't have even time to do any other listening activity because I have interview skills to wind up. So I'll be doing interview skills today. We'll be discussing about the important points what are necessary for the interview. I'll be teaching you or I'll be telling you the etiquettes which you should follow. And tomorrow and day after tomorrow, that will be our last 2 classes. In those 2 classes, I'll be taking your mock interviews. I'll be the interviewer and you will be acting as an interviewee. So please remember that what you are going to do is you have to come here in front of me as you are coming for a professional interview itself. मतलब आप select होंगे या नहीं होंगे इसी से decide होगा. ठीक है? So we'll try to cover most of you in 2 days. Okay, and whatever your queries or questions will be, we'll try to take that as well. इसके अलावा हाँ, presentation skills भी बहुत important है, तो अगर मुझे time मिला तो I would like to cover that as well. ठीक है, क्योंकि आज के टाइम पे you people have to prepare a lot of presentations, am I right? And आपको कॉलेज में presentations देने पड़ते हैं. At that point of time you become very nervous कि आपको 3 दिन नींद भी नहीं आती. If you get to know that you have to give a presentation, whether you are a BTech student, MBA student or whatever, you have to give presentation in any of your semesters. So that is also very important and we'll try to cover that point. Okay. Yesterday somebody was there, Deepak, no? Deepak was there, I guess. Huh? He was asking about aptitude and attitude. Yes, I already told you attitude is something which you feel or you show your negative feelings about something. That's an attitude. And aptitude is to learn a skill, to acquire a skill. That is aptitude. People, I hope you have got it. So there is no such similarity between aptitude and attitude. अभी raise कर रहे हो hand अपने. Yes, Deepak.
यस मैम, गुड इवनिंग.
Good evening.
मैम एक बार और बोल दीजिए ना.
एक बार और बोल दूं. I said कि aptitude is aptitude का meaning होता है to acquire some skills, to learn some skills. Okay, that is aptitude. And attitude is your feelings, a negative feeling about something. Did you get it?
थैंक यू मैम.
Okay, guys, now listen. So I think there were few people who were left out on presenting weaknesses. And Shashi, your partner was not there. So is he today? Is he there?
I don't know, ma'am. I think he will do that.
What's his name?
So Sunny Kumar.
Sunny Kumar. Sunny Kumar, if you're here, please come in front. Please raise your hand and come in front. Sunny Kumar, are you there? Sunny? No, I can't find any Sunny over here. Today also your partner is not here. So sorry. You have chosen an irregular partner. चलो कोई नहीं. Is there anybody else who wants to present? Shubham Kumar Jha, did you do it yesterday?
No, ma'am.
You have a partner?
No, ma'am. Actually, I was suffering from fever
Okay. Now are you all right?
from last two class. Yes. So,
Okay, take care of yourself then. Okay,
Okay.
so yeah. Guys, now please switch on your camera. Do I need to say all these things every single day? I'm really bored seeing your TPs and blank pictures. Please come up. Please switch on your camera. It's a humble request, guys. Good, Sapna has switched it on. Unnati, I can see. Others kindly do it. Yes, Shweta, I can see. Telja, Poonam, Shikha Kumari, Amisha Kumari, where are you guys? Please switch on your camera, please. It's a request. Rahul Prabhakar, why are you saying that? Sorry, ma'am, I can't switch on my camera. I'm outside. Okay. Others, what are your excuses? Why are you people not switching on your camera? Gaurav Kumar, Rajesh, Shivani, Aditya, Soni Kumari, Rituraj Kumar. Rituraj, you can switch on your camera. Jyoti Arya, Chanchal Arya. Come on, guys, please switch on your camera. Come in front of the page. I want to see everybody's face. Come on. मेरा काम है बोलना, मैं बोल देती हूँ. जिसको मानना है वो माने, जिसको नहीं मानना मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती हूँ. Because you people are not in KG कि मैं सबके घर पहुंच के सबको पिटाई कर करके switch on करवाऊँ camera, right? You are a mature person. Okay, let's begin, guys. So we have done the SWOT analysis in which we have discussed about the strengths and the weaknesses, which were very, very important. We need to analyze these two things before we proceed further with anything, whether you are going for a job or you yourself have to find out कि आपके अंदर क्या क्या चीजें हैं. और जो अभी मैंने आपको बताया था ये आपका SWOT analysis, ये personal SWOT analysis है, because everybody does SWOT analysis. Even a good business firm or organizations, they also do SWOT analysis. Their SWOT analysis consists of different questions, but the same thing happens. They find out the strengths which they have in the firm. They also find out the weaknesses which they have and the threats which are caused due to that weaknesses. And they also try to find out the opportunities in the market where they have to learn new skills and where where they can add on certain things in the firm. So everybody does SWOT analysis, and this is very, very important. Without taking much of your time, I'll just quickly move to the threat and opportunities. Apur, with whom are you chatting that you are smiling continuously? The Antaryami is sitting in front of you. I can judge you by your face also. Like you are consistent with your smile today. What happened? Is everything all right? Okay. Now listen, so we were discussing about the opportunities. It's not opportunities, guys. I'll make sure that please you pronounce this word correctly. It is opportunities. Unities. Not ch. Okay. So it's opportunities. And what are we going to find out in opportunities is opportunities analysis. Mein aap ye dekhoge what opportunities are there to learn or what are there which are open for you. You have to search for the opportunities around you which is suitable for you, where you can excel, where you can learn something and then you can add on to your profile. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले आपको ये अपने आसपास देखना है कि आपके लिए कौन से opportunities open हैं. Opportunities में क्या होता है, जैसे मान लो अभी आप student हो, so what you will look for? You will look for some internships. After certain semesters, you people are allowed to go for internships, right? So you can just search for internships so that you can go over there. You can work during your summer, summer एक होता है summer training कहते हैं, I guess. पता नहीं आपके college में होता है या नहीं. They give you summer training. In that summer training, you are supposed to find out the companies, and then you can go over there. You can work. Even your college arranged that thing for you, and then you can work over there. You can get an experience, and then you can get the exposure. So that is one of the opportunities, because it means a lot when you go for an interview, and if you're in your CV there are certain internships mentioned, then definitely that is one of the good thing about you, and that will give you benefit. Okay, you'll be benefited from that. So that is one thing. And in fact on job trainings भी होती हैं कई बारी, जब आपकी जॉब लग जाए तो प्लीज सर्च फॉर दोज कंपनीज जो कि आपको इन जॉब ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड करते हैं। ठीक है, मतलब आप जॉब में रहते हुए जॉब करते हुए उनके साथ कुछ ट्रेनिंग्स आप ले सकते हो, जिससे आपकी स्किल्स और डेवलप हो जाएंगी और आपके स्किल्स में नई चीजें ऐड ऑन हो जाएंगी जो कि आपके पोजीशन को और आपको प्रमोट करने में हेल्प करेंगी। सो यू शुड ऑलवेज लुक फॉर दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी। Okay, then we have what situations can you take advantage of. So definitely you should search for those situations from where you can take advantage, you can be profited of, like अभी जैसे कि आप जाओगे एमएनसीज वगैरह में तो दे एक्चुअली प्रेफर यू टू हैव अ फॉरेन लैंग्वेज। इफ यू हैव अ फॉरेन लैंग्वेज दैट इज अ सोने पे सुहागा काइंड ऑफ थिंग। So you need to go for that. Okay, ठीक है, I'll get some off, or you can even ask the company to give you some time to get the training of foreign language, and then you can definitely add on that skills to your resume and get yourself promoted. Then do you have contacts to help or advise you? Definitely around yourself you can find out somebody who can help you out to if you have something, if you have some queries related to your field, if you have some queries related to your work or to your subject, then you can definitely ask for help or advice. आपके अराउंड कोई ना कोई आपसे ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस होगा। ठीक है, आपका सीनियर हो या कोई भी हो, कोई कलीग हो आपका, वो आपसे ज्यादा अगर एक्सपीरियंस है तो प्लीज टेक हेल्प ऑफ हिम। Try to find out good person around you who can help you and who can advise you in your field and in your subject. In fact, who can help you or advise you certain things which will help you to get or grab the opportunity. Then you have you any solutions to others complaints? So opportunities के लिए definitely you have to look for जैसे आपके अंदर वीकनेसेस हैं, वो वीकनेसेस आपको बाकी लोगों ने भी रियलाइज करवाई होंगी कि हाँ ठीक है ये वीकनेसेस आपके अंदर है जिसकी वजह से यू आर लैकिंग बिहाइंड। सो व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट इज उनके जो कंप्लेंट्स हैं उनके पीछे क्या सोल्यूशन है, दैट यू हैव टू सर्च। तो अभी आप कॉलेज जाते हो मान लो, तो कॉलेज में आपके प्रोफेसर्स आपको आपकी वो बताते होंगे ना, दे मस्ट बी कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट सर्टेन थिंग्स कि हाँ ठीक है अपूर्व यू आर नॉट गुड एट प्रेजेंटेशन, you don't come to the college when you have a presentation or something, and they can have many complaints about you. It's just an example, okay? It's just an example I'm saying. So make sure that you get to know about the complaints of others and then try to find out the solutions, because maybe they'll definitely help you out to excel and expose yourself in a better way. Then we have, is there a unfilled need around you? कहने का मतलब कि क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है कि जिस आप फील्ड में हो उसकी कोई एक रिक्वायरमेंट है लेकिन आप उस रिक्वायरमेंट को फुलफिल नहीं करते हो, then try to search for it and work on that. Try to learn something which will actually fill that need too. ठीक है, तो ऐसा होता है कि कंपनी हमसे कुछ और भी एक्सपेक्ट करती है और हमें हमारे अंदर वो चीज नहीं होती। then what we need to do is we need to explore, we need to do research, and we need to learn, and we need to take out some time. These are certain opportunities analysis with the help, or these are certain questions which you can take while doing opportunity analysis. Then we have the threat analysis. How will you find out the threat analysis? So for threat analysis, again, you have certain questions. The three most frequently asked questions are: what obstacles do you currently face? At present, what do you think? क्या है जो आपको रोक रही है आगे जाने से? What do you think? क्या है जो आपके फील्ड में होने के बाद भी आप प्रोफिशिएंट नहीं है? ठीक है, what is there which is stopping you to be proficient in your subject, in your field, in your area? So you have to search for that. Like for example, I would like to ask it to Shashi Bhushan. Shashi, as you told me on that particular day, as I'm an engineering student and I do not like calculations, that is my weakness, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you think that is going to create an obstacle for you in later on semesters?
Yes, ma'am. That gonna. I need to work on that.
Yes, so we need to work on that. So this is one of the obstacles that you are facing right now, and which will definitely create an hindrance. That will create a hindrance when you will go ahead and when you will try to prosper in life or get something new in life. Okay, or when you will go वो ऊंची उड़ान भरने के लिए चाहोगे या कुछ बड़ा, जैसे कहा था ना कि कोई ऊंची उड़ान कौन भरने वाला था, अपुर। तो
Yes.
कोई ऊंची उड़ान जो भरने वाला होगा तो उसके लिए हिंड्रेंस क्रिएट करेगा, इसलिए फॉर नाउ, फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स इटसेल्फ start making yourself prepared for it and start practicing more and more calculations and do it. Have you started doing it?
Yes, I have started now.
Very nice, Shashi. Good to know that. You can mute yourself. Shubham Kumar Jha, I would like to ask you, what obstacles do you currently face being an engineering student?
Suddenly, ma'am, I didn't recognize yet.
I haven't recognized yet, but it's your homework, okay? Tomorrow I remember your name. Tomorrow I'll be कल छुट्टी मत कर लेना ये कह के कि मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. ठीक है?
हाँ.
कल मैं तुमसे ये चीज पूछूंगी that what do you think that is an obstacle for you being an engineer? अच्छा, somebody told me on that particular day only that there was Engineers Day, but I've heard that today is Engineers Day, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it is today. So, what do you people have to say on Engineers Day? I'll come to this question also. Let me just finish that. Okay, Shubham, you can mute yourself. I would like to ask some other people as well. So, Anjali is sitting here. Yeah. Anjali, what obstacles do you currently face being an engineering student?
Ma'am, I face that reading lots of book that too much thick. I don't like reading book.
You don't like reading books. You find that to be very, very difficult because they are quite thick. The books are quite thick, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is one of the obstacles. What you can do is to start reading something which is very interesting for you. तो जिससे कि आपके अंदर reading skills की habit develop हो जाए, क्योंकि you cannot escape from this. You have to read this
Yes, ma'am.
like almost for 4 semesters, no, 4 years,
Mm.
sorry, 4
Yes,
complete
ma'am.
years. Yes. So make sure that you prepare yourself in that. Good that you recognized it. Now I would like to ask it to Vivek Anand. Vivek, what obstacles do you currently face?
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am. All of you, good evening. Currently, I am facing numerical problems. I am weak in numerical. I can't solve some of them because my weakness is my mathematics. And also, when I start something, I never close it, मतलब end तक नहीं लेके जा पाता हूँ कुछ भी.
I
इसे
never
शुरू
finish
करता हूँ.
it. I
Yes,
never
ma'am.
finish it. Okay, so it means you are inconsistent, and that is, yes, it's an obstacle for you. And as you said, that numericals is something you find it as an obstacle, क्योंकि आपको आप अगर पढ़ने भी जाते होगे और numericals आ जाता होगा तो आपका मन वहीं पे ही, you know, खत्म हो जाता होगा कि नहीं पढ़ना यार, it's okay, चलो हटाओ. Why is it?
If I started any topic, I want to go in deep knowledge in that topic.
Yeah, okay. So you want to go deep into it, but you are unable to take it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just because you don't find the numericals to be interesting, that is bit difficult for you. Fine, I agree. It happens. To work on that, start practicing numericals because again, you cannot escape from numericals if you are an engineering student.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next person whom I should ask is Sri Shalam. Yes. Shalam ji, बताएं. What obstacles?
First of all, I would like to say that I didn't prepare yesterday because my partner was not able to join the class. That's why I didn't prepare. But in chat box, I prepared, but then the time got out and that's why. So sorry for that.
That's fine. So today, do
Yeah.
you have your partner with you?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah. So the obstacle which I'm currently facing is that I don't have that consistency in my studies, which I should put in my studies. So that's the obstacle I'm currently facing.
Sorry, I didn't get you. Can you just repeat?
The consistency which I should have in my studies, like that I have to do this much today and have a proper time management. That's not there.
Okay, so you are inconsistent in your
Yeah.
studies,
Yeah.
and that the consistency is missing, and that is the obstacle for you. So definitely try to think about something or try to find out something which is very interesting in your studies or in your subject, which will hold your attention and which will make you feel consistent. So you need to focus, make yourself motivated enough, talk to somebody who will motivate you to be consistent. So that will maybe help you out to be consistent in your studies.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Rituraj, would you like to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
What, ma'am?
Do you want to say something? You have raised your hand, I'm saying.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. That's by mistake.
That is by mistake. But okay, I'll ask you, Rituraj, what obstacles do you find or do you face right now being an engineering student?
Ma'am, sleeping whole day and night.
Sorry?
Sleeping whole day and night.
Sleeping whole day and night.
Yes, ma'am.
You sleep throughout your day, you sleep.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? What have you got? क्या ऐसा मिल गया? क्या हासिल कर लिया ऐसे कि इतनी नींद आ रही है तुम्हें?
Ma'am, I always means उबासी हमेशा आते रहता है तो हम सो लेते हैं.
अच्छा, उबासी को क्या कहते हैं guys? I keep on yawning. I keep on yawning throughout the day, and that is why whenever I go to bed, I sleep. Means, Rituraj, that you have no tension in life. You do not take tension. You do not let anything disturb you, and you do not let anything, you know, आपका mental peace खोने के लिए ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं जो आपको अफेक्ट करे इतना डीपली कि आप अपने मेंटल पीस को खो सको. तो आप इतने पीसफुल हो अपनी लाइफ में दैट यू स्लीप प्रॉपरली. यू नो, बीइंग अ पर्सन, मुझे हार्डली 3 से 4 घंटे की नींद आती है, जो कि बहुत मुश्किल से, और इतनी कच्ची होती है मेरी नींद. आई रियली वांट तुम थोड़े से अपनी एनर्जी इधर ट्रांसफर कर दो सोने वाली. ठीक है, आई नीड इट एंड यू टेक माइन. Okay, Rituraj, but you need to focus on your studies. You can't just sleep like this, and you cannot just spend all your 4 years because that will become very difficult. ठीक है, अभी तो आप लोग promote हो गए हो without any exams, but next time you won't be. So start studying, okay? Make a routine. 8 hours of sleep is also very, very necessary. 6 to 8 hours. So make sure that you sleep that much, not more than that, okay? And try to utilize your time. If you'll sleep right now, you'll regret later on. तो आगे की जिंदगी में नींद कभी नहीं आएगी फिर. चलो, okay guys, so that was one of the question which you should ask to yourself while doing threat analysis. Then second question is the demand for your strengths declining? मतलब जो आपकी strength है, ठीक है, क्या उसकी डिमांड अब मार्केट में कम हो गई है? क्या आपको लगता है कि अब वो आउटडेटेड हो चुका है? क्या आपको ये फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा अपने अराउंड में, अपने सराउंडिंग में, कि जितना स्ट्रेंथ मेरे पास था, जो अब तक मैं सोचता था कि ये मेरे स्ट्रेंथ्स है, क्या वो आज भी अपडेटेड है, या पीपल आर लूजिंग इंटरेस्ट इनटू इट? इफ दे आर लूजिंग इट, देन यू हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट एंड you have to add on to your strengths. That is one of the question which you should ask when you are analyzing your threats. Third question is, what threats arise from your weaknesses? डेफिनेटली जैसे जैसे की चीजें अभी आपने बताई कि विवेक ने बताया उसको न्यूमेरिकल्स पसंद नहीं है, तो उससे क्या होगा? डेफिनेटली आगे के क्वेश्चंस कभी सॉल्व नहीं कर पाएगा वो, एंड आपके फिर एक्सटर्नल में मार्क्स अच्छे नहीं आएंगे. उसके बाद जब आप प्लेसमेंट में बैठोगे तो आपके मार्क्स को लेकर के दे विल नॉट लेट यू सिट इन द प्लेसमेंट, कंपनीज, गुड कंपनीज विल नॉट टेक यू. So that will be the threat which will arise from your weakness. So make sure that you hide, as I said yesterday, nullify your weaknesses. ठीक है, अब nullify करने का time आ गया. Try to nullify them. Try to remove them. Okay, you have to bring more strength and you have to decrease your weaknesses. So that is all about your threats analysis. And there are certain tips and tricks which you should apply in your life. Okay, and what's that? I would like to tell you. Be rigorous and be objective. What do you mean by rigorous and what do you mean by objective? Can someone tell me what do you mean by rigorous? Rigorous क्या है? Is somebody raising hand? Please raise your hand if you want to reply. Nobody. I think there is someone. Jeevan. Jeevan, yes. Please unmute and tell me.
Ma'am, sturdy.
Sorry.
Sturdy.
Sturdy.
Yes, ma'am. STURDY.
Kind of, sort of. To be very, very careful. A person who is extremely careful about something while doing is rigorous person. Matlab, you have to go through it. You just cannot be careless while doing something. You have to be rigorous, means you have to be, you have to check something thoroughly, and you have to be very, very careful with your strength, with your weaknesses. You have to work on that before you do something. Please be rigorous. Yeah, that is careful. And then be objective. Objective का मतलब कौन समझा सकता है मुझे? Vivek Anand, would you like to explain it to me?
Ma'am, rigorous means दृढ़ संकल्पित in Hindi, and objective means किसी aim को दृढ़ संकल्पित होकर के प्राप्त करना.
Objective का be objective का यहाँ पे जो मतलब है विवेक वो ये है कि आपको कभी भी कोई चीज करना हो तो अपनी पर्सनल फीलिंग्स को हटा कर करो. मतलब अगर आप किसी फैक्ट को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हो तो उसे अपने पर्सनल फीलिंग्स से अफेक्ट मत होने दो. दैट इज बीइंग ऑब्जेक्टिव. डिड यू गेट इट? एक तो ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है टू हैव एन एम और समथिंग टू अचीव. And I'm not talking about that objective. I'm talking about being an objective.
In experiment, we also write that objective of the experiment.
वो तो objective होता है, वो हमारा aim होता है, वो हमारा goal होता है. लेकिन यहाँ पे बोल रहा है be objective, मतलब आपको objective होने के लिए बोलता है. It means आप जब facts को represent करते हो, then don't let that fact be affected with your personal feelings. You have to keep your
Moving
personal
towards
feelings
our
away
goal.
from it. Nice. Okay. View from all aspects. Definitely, when you are looking for your weaknesses, opportunities, or anything, you have to look at from all aspects. You just cannot just stick to some of the aspects or one aspect. Be realistic and specific. Realistic is again believing on the facts and being real. You cannot be into delusion. You cannot be, you cannot imagine things. You have to be real. You have to accept what is the reality. And you have to be very much particular about the things. You cannot just, be flexible. Specific चीजों को आपने specific के लिए ही present करनी है. Then use verifiable facts only. Means जब भी आप किसी चीज के बारे में और किसी सर्च कर रहे हो facts के बारे में, make sure that it is verified. मतलब it is legally accepted. It is the authentic one. Authentic मतलब एकदम true है, truth है, real है, ठीक है? And then prioritize. Prioritize is very, very important. To give importance to something which is important actually. मतलब you have to find out what is important in your life and you have to decide accordingly how much priority you should give to that particular thing. Did you get it? So these are the tips tips which you should follow while doing SWOT analysis. Be very, very careful and don't let your personal feelings come in between. कि नहीं नहीं ये मेरी weakness नहीं हो सकती, ये ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. Don't do that. Just be objective. Means please accept the fact. View it from all aspects. आप अपनी चीजों को एनालाइज कर रहे हो, आप उसको हर तरह से देख सकते हो. Be realistic and specific. Definitely, you cannot be into imagination. You have to be real. You have to talk about the real facts. You have to be practical and you have to be specific about certain things. Then use verifiable facts only. Remember that you need to use the verified facts. It has to be authentic, it has to be relevant, it has to be appropriate, and please prioritize the things that are very, very important. Put that thing in front and put or give it more importance. Fine, so that is all about your SWOT analysis, and I would like to stop it here. Now a random topic, I'm giving it to you people to represent it over here, then we'll begin with the interview skills. I have 20 minutes and I'll be giving 20 minutes time to you people to present on the topic Engineer Day. As you all are going to be an engineer, you all are in the race of becoming an engineer. So I would like to ask you people, what do you think about engineers? What and why have you opted this profession, or why have you opted this degree? What is there? Is it just that there was a pressure of your family? मेरा बेटा इंजीनियर कहलाएगा, मेरी बेटी इंजीनियर कहलाएगी, इसलिए कर रहे हो? क्या है वो सारी चीजें ऑनेस्टली मुझे प्रेजेंट करो, ठीक है? The one who is very much prompt, जिसको मैंने topic दिया और वो तुरंत बोल सकता है, I think that's Abhijit. So Abhijit, I would like to give you a chance to speak on this Engineers Day, and let me also know what engineers are all about.
Yes, thank you very much, and good evening to all of you present over here, and very happy Engineers Day to all the upcoming engineers and who are going to reform the total society. And because engineers are supposed to, ma'am, here is power cut, so
Then
if I
also
am
you were
switching
quite
on my,
visible.
I think 1 minute, ma'am.
Yes, we can see a ghost sitting over there. Speak.
Yes, ma'am. So as you know, engineers are supposed to be the best mind of world, because throughout your 8th semester, you are not only solving the numericals, you are not only taking the theoretical knowledge, but you are also handling so many pressure of assignment, pressure of you can say completing your all the tasks in a very confined time. Means you have to take care of everything, and also while you are taking this technical education, you are far away from your home, so you have to you have also maintained your fooding, lodging, and everything, and so many pressure, and then with that all pressures you are handling all that things, so that is really developing means another kind of personality in you, and definitely means that is something extra in engineers from others. So in current scenario, what I believe that yes, it is really that engineers means what is engineering? Engineering is reading everything around us. Means what is the difference between science and engineering? In science, we just read and we just observe the things around us. And in tech, what is engineering? Means whatever knowledge that we got from that science, how we are going to utilize that knowledge in order to in order to get benefited from not only for ourselves but from the betterment of our society and our nation too. So in today's scenario, what I see, one thing is missing from our engineers, it is not only for our engineers, from our society, that we are being advanced with technology. Means really we are highly advanced. Means today I have seen somewhere in at Tata, one engineer has developed a code, application which can directly convert the English language to the machine. No, which language is there in computer? Means in which language we do coding? Can anyone tell? Ma'am, please unmute Sayed.
Baba has asked something and I'm unmuting Ankita. Ankita, reply.
This side Anjali.
Oh, sorry, Anjali.
Okay, Anjali.
C coding.
Means no. Whatever we are just like we are typing hashtag include studio.h. So
hashtag include
stdio.h.
To change any high level language as English or Hindi to machine level language like 0 and 1 binary, we use compiler. We use compiler, and machine level language is called binary.
Yes, right, Sayed. So
what
we are doing,
you have replied.
What we are doing, we are writing the code in a high level language, and that high level language is being converted to the machine level language for computers. So in same scenario, means what I was telling you today, I saw somewhere that one engineer had developed a code that whatever we are writing in computer, means if you want to generate a code for anything, like suppose key, if you want to make an application for simple math calculation, so in words, if you are writing there that what is the value of 2 plus 2, that word will means somehow that is getting converted into machine language. Means no need of the compiler will be there in future. So really means we are being very, very advanced with the technology. We are going to the moon. Means last year you have heard about the Chandrayaan 2 mission. Unfortunately, that was got some failure. But what is the missing dimension from today's society is that we are being advanced, but we are not taking the care of how we should utilize that technology in order to get the real benefit from that. It is just like today the
Abhijit, you are going away from the topic. I only
no,
asked
no, ma'am, I'm just
what
coming
are
to the engine. Yes,
सिर्फ
ma'am.
engineers के बारे में मुझे बताओ. What are you started it well that yes, engineers are the one who are facing a lot of things. They are away from home. They are not just the one who is learning numericals and solving numericals. Apart from this, they are learning so many skills which are actually developing their personality and adding a very different personality to what they used to be before 4 years. That is fine. But then again,
Again, I
you
am
just
just coming to the social engineering, ma'am, and inner engineering. I want to.
no,
Okay.
I cannot give you that much time, Abhijit, because there are so many people. They have to speak in a general way, in an enthusiastic way. I just wanted to know what engineers are and what is their life all about. Okay, technical knowledge. I really can't get into it. It's really good that you have every knowledge, and along with that knowledge, you have an example also to cite. So that's very nice. But if I'll give you opportunity, others will not get opportunity to speak.
Okay, no, ma'am. No worry, ma'am. So
Okay, Abhijit. So thank
that's
you so
great.
much for introducing us with that ingenious. Yes, that people are becoming very much, advanced with the technology and they're reaching to any corner, anything of the world or universe. That's fantastic. Very nice, Abhijit. You spoke really well.
Yes, ma'am.
I just
Yes, ma'am.
want
And ma'am, one question to you, ma'am. Last day, if you remember, ma'am, I just asked a question that how the threat is only concerned with the external factor. You just mentioned over there, and I had asked this question.
it's an external factor. I just can't say that it is an external factor only because it's an internal factors too. Because those are your weaknesses which is inside you. So we can say that it is affected with internal and external both. I cannot only specifically say that it's an external factor.
But you had mentioned it over there,
Yes,
so
it
that's why
was
I asked.
mentioned. It was mentioned in the PPT. But while discussing about it, I realized that it's not just an external factor. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, and thank you
Pressure,
everyone
Abhijit,
for listening.
it's pressure. It's pressure, not pressure.
Press. Okay.
Pressure. Okay. And the English language to other language because we never use those. Okay.
Okay.
Rest was fine. Good. Now
Okay.
moving
Thank you,
on to
Anjali and Sayed.
the next person, that is Sudhanshu. Sudhanshu, can you just explain about engineers?
I'm not yet prepared actually.
Who has prepared? Nobody has prepared. You are becoming an engineer and you have to talk about it. I'm not asking to talk about a teacher.
It's sudden. If you give me some time, then I can.
I cannot. This is an impromptu. In fact, it is not even impromptu because I have already given you opportunity to think about the topic, to think about a point. Come on, be quick. Syed is listening to songs. He is not listening to me.
I'm not yet prepared actually.
This is
I'm
engineer.
not written.
They are a little mad. They are a little crazy,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So tell me what engineers are. How do you feel because like you are now pursuing your degree? How do you feel about it?
Ma'am, engineers being, it should be an innovative idea. Everyone should have an innovative mindset actually, not yet just learning about the question answers or just mugging up things. So I think it should be the best way to becoming. And secondly, we should be multitasking. We should think on multitasking. We should not just be on our core branch. Actually, what if I have taken electrical engineering as my branch, and I can also do various things like coding, data analyst, or even if I'm in this field, I can also go for fluid mechanics, various other, there are very much branches in which we can do and various courses to which I can pursue in that. So I think that getting knowledge in that also can make a good person in that.
Can make a good impression. Okay,
Yes.
very nice. You said the right thing that we cannot be just one person at a time, or we cannot just stick to one course or one field. We have
Yes,
to be a
ma'am.
multitasker, and that is why we are learning so many things to do. and we keep on doing it. Data analysis is very much, you know, in trend these days, and you have a lot of scope if you know data analysis. You
Yes,
get a really good package if you really know about data analysis, and there is a statistics as well. Stats भी आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा trend में है, which has a good scope. So you should know about all these things as well. So this is what opportunity is. ये opportunity है जिसको आपने अपने around surrounding में analyze करना, and then you have to work on and you have to add on to it. Fine, Sudhanshu, thank you so much for this. Now I will applause for you that you spoke on the spot. Rituraj Karan. Yes, Rituraj.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Rituraj.
Today is Engineers Day, which is celebrated by honor of the best civil engineers in India, M. Viseswaraya. And engineers are the backbone of our society, our nations, and engineers are doing well in every field, such as R. Ashwin in cricket and Sushant Singh Rajput in acting, and many more. 4 years, 40 subjects, 400 experiments, 4 years are normal. Those superheroes are do it who is called engineer.
Very nice. You have got the facts, huh, Rituraj? From where have you prepared this?
Just in a second, my friend is here DP.
He shared a DP.
DP, मैम इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
He has shared a wallpaper.
No, ma'am, wallpaper नहीं, video footage.
Video footage. Okay. He shared a video footage with you. In that, it was all written and described, and that is why you are able to represent. ऋतुराज ने आज तक कभी प्रेजेंट नहीं किया, but it's really nice that जाते जाते आपने मेरे क्लास में कुछ तो प्रेजेंट किया, and you have talked about a great fact that those are the superheroes who are performing 400 experiments and then 40 subjects in 4 years. That's a good fact. Nice, Rituraj. Impressive. Very nice. And you started it quite well, huh? I liked it. That they are the one, or they are the backbone of the society, as few people are excelling. Like, you took name of which cricketer? R. Ashwin?
R. Ashwin.
Yes. Okay, R. Ashwin and Sushant Singh Rajput in acting. Fine. Very impressive, Rituraj. Thank you so much. You can mute yourself. Applause for Rituraj, guys. Now I would like Tanisha to tell me what do you think? What is this?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I think engineers are the people who apply their knowledge and ideas in the practical world for the development and sake of mankind. That's it. Thank you.
For the development and
Sake.
Okay, fine. So that was a very crisp thing about the engineers. Okay, nice. And a technical answer. Definition. Fine, Tanisha, thank you so much for that. Applauds that you spoke. And Sunny Kumar is there. Sunny Kumar आ गया. Shashi.
Yes, ma'am.
कहाँ थे तुम?
Ma'am, actually I was outside, so I wasn't able to join your class at the time. Sorry, ma'am.
Oh, okay, that's fine. So Shashi was waiting for it that you were supposed to present his weaknesses and he was supposed to present your weakness. Are you prepared with it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just talk about his weaknesses?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you talk about Shashi's weaknesses?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening. As Sasi is my classmate, we spare time after college while discussing any point. Sasi is good, gentle, and calm boy. Then too he possesses few bad qualities. I found a little bit of stage fear in him, as he won't forward his name as volunteer for certain activities. He also avoids topics in which he is not enough confident. He has a big problem. He hesitates while talking to girls. He lacks at few educational points, such as not so proficient at mathematical calculation, and the risk facet is perfect. Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice, Sunny. You spoke really well. He possesses, not possess, okay? He possesses certain bad qualities, or you can say certain weakness. You can simply say that there are some flaws in him on which he should work, and these are that yes, he has some stage fear. He is not so much good in particular topics also, which he should definitely work on. And then he hesitates a lot while speaking to girls. Acha, thank you so much, Sunny, for telling me this, that he has this weakness. Let me just talk to him, huh? And now he will talk to me. Shashi, do you hesitate while talking to a girl?
I think.
Why? Girls क्या मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि लड़कियों को देखते ही वो मारने आ जाएंगी या then why do you hesitate?
I don't know.
Why is this kind of discrimination, huh?
No discrimination, ma'am, but
We people are also human beings, no? हम ऐसे ही किसी को चांटा नहीं मारते until unless that person gives you negative vibes. And looking at you, I cannot say that you will give negative vibes to anybody, okay?
Okay.
So don't hesitate. Don't hesitate at all. Don't hesitate it from any person. If you have to talk with anybody with confidence, because you are a good person. You are a calm and composed person, which are very rare. मतलब कह सकते हैं आजकल ये rare species है, ठीक है? They all have become extinct. Now you can't see anybody calm and composed. Rituraj is saying he's so cute and cool as a cucumber. Yes, I can say that he's as cool as a cucumber. So please, get some confidence. You're so cute. You are such a positive person. You give positive vibes. So you should be confident in talking to anyone on this planet. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Great. Do you have any friend who is girl?
I have some.
You have some. That's nice. Sunny कह रहा है नहीं है, झूठ बोल रही है. Sunny,
No, I am someone. Myself.
you are the only friend? Why, Shashi? What is the strength of your class?
I think 60.
60. Out of 60, you have only found one person to talk to.
No, I have friends, ma'am. He doesn't know.
He doesn't know.
Yeah.
Sunny, you should know about it. Being a friend, you don't know this?
No, I won't say that, ma'am. I said about myself, I also don't have any girl as a friend.
Achha, you also don't have any girl as a friend. That is why he has chosen you, no?
Yes.
कहते हैं ना, we always try to find a person with something in common.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. No worries. Shashi, now you can tell the weaknesses of Sunny Kumar.
Okay, ma'am. Good evening to everyone. As I know Sunny for some time, I came to know about some weaknesses of his which he needs to improve. He is quite mediocre in his handwriting. He is not so social. He don't interact with people much. He is very shy in nature. He has a very small friend circle, and he is very reliable person. I don't know why he have a very small friend circle. As he is pursuing CSC, but his typing speed is not so good. At last, I want to say he's a very good person to know.
He's a very good person to know. Just a little bit of flaws are there which he has to work on. That's nice. You are a mediocre in your writing. Writing आपकी अच्छी नहीं है. Didn't you practice cursive writing when you were child? No, you should practice. And he don't nahi aayega, Shashi. Doesn't interact with people. He is not very social कह सकते हैं, ठीक है? And he has a little shy nature, or you can say he is introvert, and that is why he has a very small friend circle, because he doesn't like to interact with people, or he hesitates in interacting. तो आप दोनों के साथ यही इशू है, तो आप दोनों एक काम करो, आप लोग आज से दूसरे इंसान को ढूंढो जो ज्यादा आपसे बात करे, ठीक है? क्योंकि जब आप लोग मुझसे बात करते हो तो मुझे कहीं से नहीं लगता कि आप लोग कहीं से भी इंट्रोवर्ट हो, पर पता नहीं कैसे आपने इंट्रोवर्ट जैसा वर्ड अपने लिए यूज करके बैठे हुए हो। क्यों? Why? Get someone like me who can speak and who can make others also speak. इतना penetrate कर दो, इतना irritate कर दो, इतना annoy कर दो कि other has to provoke the person to speak. Got my point? Get into the nerves of the other person. Tanisha is smiling because she can connect it with you. Okay, thank you, Shashi and Sunny. You spoke really well, very nice, absolutely fantastic. Okay, so that was all about your engineers, and that was all about your weaknesses. Sonu Kumar is there, somebody I have never seen earlier. Hello. So Sonu, Mr. Engineer. अच्छा, the moment you will finish your fourth semester, तो आप लोग सब अपने नाम के आगे वो year लगा लोगे क्या? Yes. सही है, very nice. How many of you are in fourth semester? So Danshu is in fourth semester. Rahul Prabhakar is in fourth semester. Oh, okay, nice. Very soon you people will be engineers, huh? So have you started facing placements? No, not yet. Apurva Anand, I have been observing you since very long. Today you are in another mood, smiling all the time, but then he's speaking to himself. I don't know what is he doing. What happened?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am, in the chat, I found out a old friend. So that is the point.
Found an old friend, and then you started chatting with that
Yes,
person.
ma'am. No, ma'am. He has sent me message. So I
His
just replied it.
consistency gone. He's distracted.
No, ma'am. I am consistent.
No. I can't see that consistency.
When you, ma'am, when you are listening others at the moment, I was just replying him, because he was the person who make me believe that I can also do programming, because first day I was so much depressed.
Okay,
But
तो जरूरी था उससे बात करना. हाँ, I can completely understand. मैम,
yes.
अब आपके तो कोर्स खत्म हो रहे हैं, आपसे क्या सुनना अब आपको? अब मुझे कुछ तो stick कर.
No, ma'am.
This is selfishness
it
is
is
the order
absolutely
of the
not.
day. अब इसके compassion खत्म हो रहा है, ठीक है? Is no more
Ma'am,
compassionate. He has become
no.
selfish.
I think I didn't present myself in a right way. I just want to say that when I started doing programming, he's the only person who told me that you are also going to do MTech in computer science. And that inspired me to such an extent that I learned a language. Before that, I was just thinking, I can't do it. I'm just going to give up and all. So.
Okay, it's okay. Fine.
Thank you.
Got it, I understand. Happens. Okay. Now, guys, as I told you that I have to begin with the interview skills, so I'm going to be a little boring today, because definitely I'll be dealing with the slides. I'll be again teaching about the slides, and I'll be just going through it and telling you some important points, but don't miss it, in spite of the fact that it will be quite boring. But you have to do this because it is very, very important, as you people are going to face interviews very soon. And these are certain things that will definitely help you to crack your interview. And when you go for your interview, this will boost your confidence, because आपको पहले से ही पता होगा कि आपको क्या चीजें करके जानी है and क्या preparations करके जानी है. अब आप नहीं करके जाओगे, then that will be your mistake. But we are trying our level best to give you the content which will help you to be ready for your interviews and to be at your best when you go over there for the interview. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you, and we'll do that. Wait, hold on. Is my screen visible to all of you? Show me thumbs up if it is visible. Great. Okay, thank you so much. So here we have the interview skills PPT, and we will start with it. So interview skills mean what you people are supposed to do is, and what you people are supposed to do before your interviews are lined up. Make sure that you do it and make sure that you follow it. Okay. So knowing how to prepare for a job interview begins with the following steps. मतलब आप जब इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहे हो तो उसके लिए क्या प्रिपरेशंस करनी है, उसके लिए कुछ स्टेप्स है जिसको आपको फॉलो करना चाहिए एंड आपको इसी वे में फॉलो करना चाहिए, इसी पैटर्न में फॉलो करना चाहिए, इसी सिंक्रोनाइजेशन में फॉलो करना चाहिए. फर्स्ट वन इज रिव्यूइंग द जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन. अगर आप अभी तक नहीं गए होंगे इंटरव्यू के लिए या अगर आप में से कोई इंटरव्यू के लिए जा चुका है तो उसे बहुत अच्छी तरीके से पता होगा कि आपके पास जब जॉब इंटरव्यू की चीज आती है तो एक जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन आता है. ठीक है, उस जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिखा होता है, आप लोग सब अपनी एक प्रोफाइल naukri.com पे बना लो या किसी भी एक साइट पे बना लो. जब भी आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन आएगी किसी जॉब से रिलेटेड, आपके पोजीशन से रिलेटेड, देन वहां पे एक जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन होगा. यू आर सपोज टू what you are supposed to do is you are going to go through the job description carefully. Means here you have to be rigorous, I must say that you have to be thorough with the job description. You have to be very careful with the job description because that will describe you what this job is all about. Means what are your what will be your responsibility for this position. जिस position के लिए job है उसके में क्या क्या responsibilities होंगी या क्या क्या eligibility required है for this job. So all these things are written into job description and you need to go through it. When you go thoroughly, you have to decide whether you are eligible for this job or not and whether this job will be suitable for you as well or not. It is not necessary कि सिर्फ अपनी eligibility ही वहाँ देखनी है, आपने ये भी देखना है is it going to benefit you in any way or not, or is it suitable for your field or not. Okay, this is one of the things which is very important. Second is thoroughly researching the company. Definitely once you go through the job description you find that this position is appropriate for me, you need to know about the company. Okay, if the name is if there is a company whose name is Accenture, what you will do, you'll simply go and write Accenture over there, go and read about Accenture, in which field this company deals with, how many manpower is there. Means manpower means the number of employees working over there. Then you can also go through the employees reviews on Glassdoor. Glassdoor पे employees उस company के reviews लिख कर जाते हैं, which will definitely help you to know about the company. And when you read about the company, you can definitely find on Google itself about the competitors too. कि उसके competitors कौन है, ठीक है? Then it will definitely help you to recognize what company is all about, what is the situation and position of this company, and whether this company will be helpful for you or not, whether this company treats its employees well or not. Okay. Now thinking about what you will wear. मान लो अब कंपनी के बारे में आपने पूरा रिसर्च कर लिया, you are now through with in and outs of that company, then you have to decide what are you going to wear when you go for interview, because that is very important. Your gesture, your appearance, your physical appearance is the first impression which will be created in front of the interviewer. Next one is planning your journey to the interview. Definitely you will travel to some place for your interview. If I say that you people are in Bihar or UP right now, definitely most of you will look for the jobs in Delhi, Bangalore, or Pune. Okay, in some other cities you will go. Metropolitan cities may you will search for the jobs. Am I right, or will you be searching it there in Bihar and UP? How many of you will go to other metropolitan cities? Just raise your hand. Apur, Shashi. Okay. Who else? Who else wants to go out? सबके cameras off हो जाते हैं. Yes. Guddu, would you like to go to multi? Yes. Okay. Metropolitan cities. Anjali, what about you? Will you go to metropolitan cities? Yeah. Okay. Fine. So most of you will go and most of you will try to search the job in your city as well, because you do not want to go away from your home. But the prospects and the scopes are there in the metropolitan cities only. You'll find the appropriate positions, appropriate companies over there, and appropriate or relevant exposure in metropolitan cities only. Okay. So yes, when you travel to that place, you have to plan your journey. मान लो अब आपका interview schedule कर दिया है दिल्ली में, then you have to plan your journey कि आप कितने दिन पहले जाओगे. Definitely make sure that you don't reach to that city on the day of your interview, because mishappenings can happen with anyone. Okay, because that is something which is very sudden, which is unexpected, and accidentally it happens. So what you should do is you should reach day before your interview so that you can be, you know, fresh in your interview. You can take proper rest and then you can get yourself prepared and then you can go for the interview. So you have to plan your journey. Even if you're going for an interview in the same city, make sure that you reach your interview venue before time. Okay, late people are not accepted, or that gives very bad impression in the very first go. Okay, so make sure that you reach little early at the venue. Next is preparing for the questions you will be asked. Next क्या आपने करना है, that you have to see what questions you will be asked at the interview. तो पहले तो कुछ HR round होता है. HR round में there are general questions which are asked. कि tell me something about yourself, and then where do you see yourself after 5 years? What has for why have you chosen this company, and why we should choose you? These are some of the questions. I'll definitely tell you about the questions also and how to answer these questions also. So these are certain questions which will be asked to you in the very first round, which will be HR round. Then preparing your own questions for the employer too. So when you are going for an interview, आपके भी मन में कई questions होंगे related to the company, related to the positions, and related to the offerings which they offer you or which they give you. So what you need to do is you also make questions. Okay, you also prepare certain questions which you keep it in your mind. ये नहीं कि prepare questions तो लिख के ले जाना और वहाँ paper निकाल करके ऐसे पूछने लगना, नहीं. Just keep it in your mind. Okay, have questions for the employer. That also gives a very good impression. बहुत irritating questions मत पूछना, relevant questions पूछना और कम पूछना, जिससे कि उस पे अच्छा impact पड़े कि अच्छा ठीक है, you are also very much aware of the company and you also want to know more about the company, and you are interested about the positions and everything. Okay, that has to be there. And the next one is following up with the employer. Matlab, you will definitely follow up with the employer that yes ma'am, I have an interview scheduled where I have to go, at what time I have to be there. एक बार उससे follow up जरूर ले लो, confirm जरूर कर लो before going. And even after going, you can just follow up about your position. What is now the scenario after interview? Am I selected? When will you tell me? And things. You can just have a follow up with the employer. So this is one of the things which is very, very important. This is pre-preparation for the interview. Then comes read and review the job description. Like, the first step in the preparation process should be to go back and review the job description. Most job descriptions follow a similar pattern and are usually, categorized by the following points. What are those points? सबसे पहले आपका job title या department का नाम लिखा होगा, position का नाम लिखा होगा. Like if I have to apply, I'll apply for an English teacher. तो मेरा हमेशा वहाँ पे job title में PGT English, TGT English ऐसे लिख करके आता है, ठीक है? So that will be your job title and department. Then comes your duties and tasks. Means what will be the responsibilities over there with this position? So job title आपको दिया जा रहा है, इसके साथ आपकी क्या responsibilities होंगी? What you are expected to do, that will be written over there. So go through it thoroughly. Then you have the skills required. It means your eligibility. They will ask you whether you are eligible for this job or not, whether you have these skills or not, whether you possess these skills or not, which are very, very important for the department or for the job title. So that's about the read and review the job description, first step. Okay. Moving on to the next one, which is research about the company. So the following interview preparation tips will give you a guide as to which aspect of the company should be researched. अब आप जब रिसर्च करने जाओगे तो क्या देखोगे उस कंपनी में, आपने क्या पर्टिकुलरली ऑब्जर्व करना है उस कंपनी के बारे में या रिसर्च करना है. तो सबसे पहला आता है कंपनी की फाइनेंशियल. So check the company website. Doing a Google search can also uncover the current state of the company And have they gone through a merger or have they expanded recently? LinkedIn is also a good source of information. So what you can simply do is just go and try to search on Google about the company's state, financial state. Okay? Whether this company is running all alone or they have gone through some merger, matlab they have merged with other companies, who are the one working over here and who is handling it, what is the revenue, what is the turnover of the company and all those things. लिंक्डइन आज के टाइम पे बहुत अच्छा साइट है जहाँ पे आप सोशल साइट है जहाँ पे यू कैन जस्ट गो एंड गेट द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द कंपनीज एंड द एम्प्लॉइज वर्किंग ओवर देयर यू कैन इवन हैव समबडी टू फॉलो जिससे आपको उस कंपनी के इन एंड आउट्स काफी अच्छे तरीके से पता लग जाता है दूसरा है कि उनका कल्चर आपको पता होना चाहिए लुक एट लिंक्डइन एंड फेसबुक और चेक गूगल रिव्यूज फॉर द कमेंट्स बाय द करंट और द फॉर्मर एम्प्लॉइज फॉर्मर मतलब वो जो छोड़ के जा चुके हैं करंट एम्प्लॉइज जो वहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं उनके रिव्यूज से भी आपको उनके कल्चर के बारे में पता चलेगा whether they respect the employees or not, whether they give you proper space or not, what is their culture, what are the things that they do, क्या सिर्फ काम करवाते हैं या they have some co-curricular activities also for the employees, they do care about the employees or not. So everything will be there on Facebook, Google or LinkedIn. Then you have the third thing, that is executive team, means look through the company's website to research the company hierarchy and find out who the executives are. Means the one who are representing the company, you need to find out about them. कौन है जो उस कंपनी को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है एंड उनके बारे में पूरी डिटेल लिखी रहती है अच्छी अच्छी बड़ी कंपनीज में. And next one is that competitors. You need to know about the competitors of that company. So find out who the company's main competitors are and look into the websites of organizations in the same industry. उसी industry में you need to find out who are other companies who are excelling. Okay, so you need to know about those companies. That's it. So these are the points on the basis of which you will do the research about that company. Want to take the screenshot, you people can keep on taking because this will definitely help you in future. Moving on to the next one. And the next one is what women should wear, because the third thing which we need to focus is what you should wear. And third point था कि अब आपको क्या पहनकर जाना, that you should decide. So before we go ahead, I would like to mention what women should wear to a job interview. अगर लड़की है तो उसे क्या पहनकर जाना चाहिए for a job interview. The first thing is clothing में. Make sure you wear a professional and clean, freshly pressed shirt or blouse without a deep neckline. If you wear a skirt, be sure that the skirt is no shorter than 2 inches above the knee. Don't forget to put on tights or stockings under your skirt and alternatively wear a pair of trousers. So it's better to be very much formal when you are going for an interview. As you people are going to be an engineer, you need to look very, very formal. So try to wear Western formals in which you have trousers and shirts. Shirt and trousers should be pressed properly. Okay, and if you're wearing skirt or something for the multinational companies in the metropolitan cities, make sure the skirt is not very short and you also put stockings below it. Okay, so these are certain things which you need to take care of while you are going for an interview. You cannot just wear anything and go. दूसरी चीज होती है क्लोथिंग में that colors are very very important guys. अब ये नहीं कि आप जॉब इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहे हो और जिस गेटअप में जैसे अभी तुम मुझे देख सकते हो विद चूड़ा एंड ऑल एंड देन बिंदी रेड कलर का कुर्ता, that is not suitable, that is not appropriate. You cannot go for an interview like this. What you are supposed to do is, if you're going for an interview with a very corporate company, के लिए जा रहे हो, then you have to choose some muted tones, would be better suited for the formal environment. Like black and dark blue are the ideal business colors. Gray or brown are also good options. So you might have seen good businessmen wearing navy blue, dark blue color, suit, or they have black colors, or they wear gray colors, or they go for pastel colors, which are very soothing. So pair this with a blouse or shirt in white or pastel colors. So आपके जो trousers होने चाहिए वो dark colors के होने चाहिए, and उसको आप pastel color की shirt के साथ या light color की shirt के साथ you can pair it up. But don't combine more than 3 colors and 2 patterns. हमेशा patterns 2 ही होने चाहिए या colors भी 2 ही होने चाहिए. 2 से ज़्यादा colors मत उसमें merge कर देना. It won't look good. It's a request. Try to wear plain shirts. Do not try to have anything which has patterns. Okay, plain shirts give good impression for a formal interview in corporate sectors. Next one is that what shoes should you wear. Girls, please be careful. Open shoes like flip-flops or sandals are no go for a job interview. No go for job interview means it is not at all appropriate for a job interview. Footwear should be either closed toe pumps with a subtle heel or closed toe black high heels. या तो आप black high heels पहन लो या फिर आपकी heels जो होने चाहिए वो subtle होने चाहिए. And हाँ एक आता है toe pumps करके there is a shoe you can search it on Google you will find it जो यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक toe आपका peep होता है. That kind of bellies you can actually wear, but do not go for flip flops or sandals जो कि open होते हैं. That is not at all appropriate. Next one is jewelry. Girls, you put on a lot of jewelries. कुछ लड़कियां होती हैं जो over makeup करके लंबे लंबे earrings पहन करके इंटरव्यू में पहुंच जाती हैं. So let me tell you, it's not a party going on over there. You are here for the job interview. You need to look decent and subtle. So make sure that you stay away from too much of jewelry, such as large necklaces and bangles, as too much clanging can cause unnecessary distraction. Be sure to only wear subtle earrings. Subtle earrings means they're just ear studs, not even earrings. Studs होते हैं जो इसको tops आप लोग कहते हो, that you should put on. Your watch should be slim and just wear a wedding band or no rings at all. मतलब हो सके तो सिर्फ एक ring पहनो, एक wedding जैसे आप married हो तो you can just put on single ring, or else don't even put any ring over there. And yeah, watch shouldn't be very very fancy. It should be decent, having a slim belt and good dial, means a medium-sized dial. These are very, very important. One more thing is that makeup. What kind of makeup you should put on? Don't overdo the makeup. Keep it conservative and natural looking. Just a light touch of perfume is enough. So make sure that you have a subtle makeup. You do not go for over makeup. Don't do that. Please keep it very simple. Just put a moisturizer on your face. Keep your face not your face shouldn't be very oily also. So take care of all those things and put a very, very light kajal and perfume. Perfume shouldn't be very hard. ठीक है कुछ लड़कियां होती है जिनको लड़कों की perfumes अच्छी लगती हैं because वो बहुत strong होती हैं. Don't go for a strong perfume. Please go for a light and subtle perfume. Mild perfumes मतलब. And tattoos and piercings, yes, cover your tattoos and remove facial piercings. If you have any facial piercing, मतलब कहीं आपने यहाँ पे eyebrows पे piercing करा रखी है या यहाँ पे करा रखे है या होठ पे करा रखी है जीभ पे, तो please वो मत करवा कर जाना. Hide it all. And tattoos भी अगर आपने बनवा रखी है तो it shouldn't be seen by the interviewer. So make sure that you follow these steps when you go for an interview. Make sure these are your get-up tips, ठीक है, जो कि बहुत बहुत important है. This will create first impression, and this is very, very necessary. I hope women out here, girls out here, you have got it, that you are not going to do all such things. ठीक है, these are big no's. कुछ भी ऐसा मत करके जाना जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा आपको highlight कर दे. ठीक है. Now coming to boys, definitely इनको तो dressing sense सिखाना बहुत जरूरी है. Girls तो एक बार को फिर भी समझदार है. नहीं मेरी क्लास में बहुत अच्छे बच्चे हैं. I must say they sit by wearing formal shirts in front of me. So they are also very nice. I can't say like yeah. So what men should wear to a job interview? Okay, let's see. Let's discuss about it. This is very, very important, boys. Make sure you know these things and you keep it in your mind every time you go for an interview. First is and the foremost is clothing. Put on a clean, crisp suit. अगर आपके पास सूट है और आप बहुत ही अच्छे कॉर्पोरेट कंपनी में जा रहे हो तो प्लीज सूट पहन कर जाओ. Wear a clean, freshly ironed, long sleeve white shirt and clean jacket. Mostly आपके obviously grey हो या navy blue हो या फिर black हो, so उसके साथ white shirt चल जाता है और white shirt ही बहुत ज़्यादा decent और elegant लगता है on any boy. ठीक है, I'm telling you one thing that boys look very elegant in formal wear. So make yourself look that elegant with a proper combination. Be sure to have freshly pressed pants. Definitely आप सूट पहनोगे तो आपके pants होने चाहिए properly ironed हो. वो कुछ लोगों को iron करना नहीं आता तो वो दो क्या कहते हैं आप उसे क्रिच बना देते हैं. तो make sure that ऐसा कुछ ना करके जाओ, properly iron हो. अगर आपको नहीं आता तो आप उनसे वो भी से iron करा के जाना. They are dry cleaners, obviously they will dry clean yours. Then you have tie. Tie as an accessory. Please accessorize with a modest tie. Modest मतलब decent tie के साथ आप अपने suit को accessorize कर सकते हैं. Add a traditional business tie hung belt line. Make sure your belt is matched to the color of your shoes and the buckle is not too prominent. This is something I would really like to highlight. Guys, एक तो tie तो होनी चाहिए आपकी neckline से लेकर के नीचे belt line तक होनी चाहिए. दूसरी चीज जो आपका belt होगा उसका कलर आपके शूज के कलर से मैच करना चाहिए. If you are putting on black shoes, then the belt should be black. If you are putting on a tanned brown shoes, your belt should also be tanned brown, because this is something which is a combination. And इससे आपके ड्रेसिंग सेंस का पता लगता है कि whether you know it or not. तो ये बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल चीज है guys. तो जब आप अपने इंटरव्यू के लिए शॉपिंग करने जाओ, मेक श्योर दैट आप शूज और अपने बेल्ट को मैच करके रहना. दूसरी चीज कि दो तरह के बेल्ट आते हैं. एक होता है कैजुअल जिसके बकल्स बहुत बड़े बड़े होते हैं. यू शुडंट गो फॉर दैट. फॉर्मल बेल्ट्स आते हैं जिनके बकल्स डिसेंट होते हैं, मॉडेस्ट होते हैं, वही बेल्ट खरीद. नेक्स्ट इज कलर्स कैसे होने चाहिए. वेयर अ बिजनेस शर्ट ऑफ अ सॉलिड कलर. सॉलिड मतलब डेफिनेटली इट हैज टू बी प्लेन, इधर प्लेन व्हाइट कैन गो, या बहुत ही लाइट पिंक कलर की व्हाइट शर्ट्स होते हैं, दैट कैन गो. ग्रे शर्ट्स भी चलती है, लाइट ब्लू शर्ट्स भी वर्क करती है. प्रिफरेबल यही होता है दैट यू गो फॉर व्हाइट. कंप्लीट द आउटफिट विद अ डार्क ब्लू, ब्लैक और चारकोल 2 और 3 पीस. एक 2 पीस सूट या 3 पीस सूट पहन सकते हो, ग्रे कलर, डार्क ब्लू कलर और ब्लैक कलर. मेक श्योर योर टाई इज सटल इन कलर एंड डिजाइन. तो आपकी टाई जो होनी चाहिए उसका डिजाइन बहुत ही ज्यादा इनअप्रोप्रिएट नहीं होना चाहिए. इट शुड लुक मॉडर्न, डिसेंट, in a decent way. Then you have shoes. What shoes you should choose? That is, wear shoes that have been polished and make sure they are clean. ठीक है, आपके shoes properly polished होने चाहिए, clean होने चाहिए. Then you go for it. That gives very bad impression or where if you have put on a formal shoe and if you have not polished. Try to match the color of your socks to your suit. आपके socks का color आपके suit के color से, मतलब आपके pant के color से, suit का जो pant होगा उसके color से match करना चाहिए, ताकि वो awkward ना लगे जब आपके pants चलते वक्त उठते हैं तो. ठीक है. Next thing is accessorize it. Wear a conservative belt and tie. ये मैं आपको already बता चुकी. Watches should be conservative with a link or leather band. Link के साथ पहनो या फिर leather band पहनो. Don't go for that chain wala. Chain doesn't give good looks or it is not appropriate for a formal look. Minimize your hand luggage. हाथ में आपके बहुत ज़्यादा चीजें नहीं होनी चाहिए. Just a leather purse or briefcase if possible. मतलब आपके पास भी boys options होते हैं आजकल. एक तरह से वो laptop bags होते हैं जो leather के होते हैं. Just carry that. Don't have too many things in your hand. When it comes to perfume and aftershave, less is best. It means you cannot go for something which is very, very strong in smell or fragrance. Use or look for something which is mild. The last thing you want is to be remembered for your cologne and not your answer. So cologne is like definitely your appearance, your gestures are very, very important. आपके answers से लोग शायद आपको ना याद रखें, लेकिन आपके gestures और आपके appearance से लोग ज़्यादा याद रखते हैं. That gives a good impact. And the last thing is again, tattoos and piercings can be also done by boys. So be sure to cover your tattoos and remove the facial piercings. I don't think that any of you has any kind of facial piercings, but later on in life, if you do it, please do not go with that kind of piercing. That will not be appropriate. So that is all what men should wear to a job interview. And as I have given you a lot of lectures, so I would like to just ask and see how many of you are through. Sudhanshu, I know that it is very boring and you're feeling sleepy. You're yawning in front of me on camera. Rahul Prabhakar, as you are in 4th semester, so very soon you are going to face an interview. What would you like to wear on that day? Unmute yourself. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
What would you like to wear if you have been opted for? Yes, if you have been opted, if you have just a minute. Huh? Yes, I'm sorry. So yeah, I was asking you, what will you wear if you have been selected for an interview? You have to go for an interview. Your interview has been lined up. What will you wear on that day?
Ma'am, suit.
Suit. It will be of which color?
Black, ma'am.
Black. So you will accessorize that suit with which colored shirt?
White shirt, ma'am.
White shirt. Okay. And what will be the color of your socks?
Black, ma'am.
Great. And what will be the color of your belt?
Black, ma'am.
Shoes will be black also? Okay. Do you have tattoos?
No, ma'am.
Will you have a tattoo before going for an interview?
No, ma'am.
Will you go for any facial piercing?
What, ma'am?
Facial piercing. Will you go for facial piercing before your interview?
No, ma'am. No.
No. Okay. And what kind of perfume you should use? Something very strong?
No, ma'am. Light.
Mild. Yes. Okay. And what what will you carry in your hand?
Leather bag, ma'am. Laptop, leather.
Leather laptop bag or just a briefcase? That too, the formal one. Very nice, Rahul. So it means you have got my points. You were listening to me carefully. So Danshu was not listening. He was yawning. I'll just quickly move to him. Hi, Sudhanshu.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, so what shirt will you wear for your interview? Red color shirt?
White shirt.
White shirt. Only white?
Yes, ma'am. White, cream, light colored clothes.
Light color clothes. Okay. And what will be the color of your suit?
Black.
All of you wants black.
I have black three-piece suit actually.
Okay. So you are going to utilize that suit over there. Is your suit solid or it has some patterns?
No, ma'am. No pattern. Totally black.
It's a solid suit. Yes. Okay. Great. And what will you wear in your shoes? What will be the color of your shoes?
Black, obviously.
Black. Obviously. Why obviously? You can put on tan shoes also, no? On black suit. No?
Weird.
No?
No,
It
ma'am.
looks weird. Okay. Yes, I didn't go for this. Will you go like this the way you are, or will you shave?
Obviously shave, but not mustache. It will look totally a kid.
No mustache will be there.
No, ma'am. I'll have mustache because I will look like a kid.
You will look like a kid if you will not have mustache.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. So will you go for tattoos and piercing?
No, ma'am. Never.
Never. You people are so good, huh? So decent. No, there is no one who wants to go for tattoos over here. Very nice. Impressive. I would like to ask it to girls now. Anjali, I will come to you. तुम सबसे पहले दिखती हो मुझे. I can't help it. Anjali, can you just tell me what will you wear on your on the day of your interview?
Ma'am, I would like to go for white shirt and trouser and
तुम लोग सब
blazer.
waiter बन के जाना चाहते हो ना? White shirt, black pants.
Ma'am, that is so formal look, so that I can.
That's so formal, but formals there are other colors too which you can definitely go for. That is navy blue is there, and then you can have gray color too. There's a charcoal gray which you can definitely use, and it looks very, very elegant, very impressive also. Okay, fine, that is your choice. Black pant and white shirt. Fine, good. Okay, and can you just tell me what else will you put as accessory? How will you accessorize?
I will go for pony and no makeup, like light cream we use and light perfume, and no tattoo, no piercing. I would like go for piercing, but after the job.
After your job. So will you not change the job ever in life?
I don't think so.
Are You will definitely change your job, no? Because you have to progress. I'm not just saying कि company खराब होगी इसीलिए. It happens that you want to develop, you want to progress. Then for that, you move to other companies also to have something else and to learn something new. So in that case, again, you will go for an interview. So आपने पहली job में piercing करा ली, अब दूसरी बार जब जाओगे interview के लिए, what will you do?
Then I go for after the fifth job.
So do you want to go for facial piercing?
Yes, ma'am. Nose piercing. I
Nose
like
piercing is fine. Nose piercing I'm not talking about. If you have piercing over here,
No, ma'am.
over tongue, I thought you will go for such things. No, then that's fine. These are normal. These are like Indian. India it is accepted. Okay. Okay, fine. Now moving on to the next thing. Yes, what will you put on as a shoes? As shoes, not as a shoes. As shoes.
Black shoes only.
Black shoes only. Okay. Black shoes may what? Means will you put on shoes or bellies?
Ma'am, shoes only.
Girls do not wear shoes. I think that is something different. That is a kind of belly, which is a formal one. Okay.
No.
Do you like to dress up like a girl or you like to dress up like a boy? Means are you a tomboy or you like girlish things?
I like to dress up like a boy.
I got to know from your gesture only that you are a tomboy. That is why you are saying that I'll go for shoes. Fine, Anjali. Thank you so much for answering these questions. I would move to the next girl, and I can see Unnati over here. Unnati, you are very cute. Unnati, unmute yourself. What has happened? मैंने तारीफ कर दी तो नेटवर्क पे चला गया. Unnati, you there? Unmute yourself, बच्चा. I have given you permission to unmute. Voice is not coming. Not audible. Remove your earphones. Something is wrong with your audio connection. Wait, again I'll unmute you. Speak. Not audible. It's okay. We'll give you chance some other time. Okay. Unmuting you. Ankita, I would like to ask you. Okay, wait. Poonam is there. Somebody new. Ankita, I'll come back to you. Hey, Poonam, how are you? Poonam, are you attending my class for the first time?
No, ma'am. Third time.
Third time. In
Yes,
7 classes, third time. Oh, very nice. Okay, so Poonam, I would like to ask you certain questions which is related to the things which you will prepare when you are going for an interview. So can you just tell me what will be the first thing you will do when you are going for an interview?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या करोगे आप? सबसे पहली चीज.
Ma'am, please repeat one time.
Yes, I asked you, what will you do if you have got an interview? What will you do for the first time? मतलब पहली चीज जो आप करोगे इंटरव्यू में जाने से पहले वो क्या होगा?
पहले फॉर्मल ड्रेस पहन कर जाऊंगी मैं.
फॉर्मल ड्रेस पहनकर जाओगे वो तो वो तीसरी चीज है. पहली चीज जो हम करते हैं बिफोर गोइंग फॉर एन इंटरव्यू. Were you listening to me? और ये कौन है? Who is peeping into your phone? Who is trying to see?
It's my brother, ma'am.
Your brother? Yeah. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Poonam, the first thing which we do for an interview that I will not tell you, Ankita will let you know, huh? Ankita? तो अंकिता सोच रही है अच्छा क्या बोलना था?
Actually, ma'am, today I joined class very late. I think that is resume.
I think that is resume. No, I said something else. Resume तो अभी resume तो आपने बना लिया होगा ना, बनाने के बाद आपके पास job interview आया होगा because you have applied somewhere with the resume. Now, what will be the first thing which you will do?
You are talking about dress up?
No, not at all. Okay, I'll give opportunity to somebody else also. How you think? Anupam Sen. Anupam, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Anupam, can you tell me what will be the first thing that you will do after getting the job interview notification?
Ma'am, I will wear blue shirt and
No, bacha, I'm not asking about what will you wear. I'm asking about what will you do, the first step which you will do before going for an interview. Like, okay, let me give opportunity to Jeevan. Jeevan, can you tell her what is the first thing which we should do? Jeevan nahi hai, he has left. Okay. Sapna Kumari, can you tell me? Sapna, I have given you permission to unmute yourself.
yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, Sapna. Yes, you are audible. Can you tell us what will be the first thing which you will do?
For the interview.
Before going for
Can
an
you repeat? Okay. So I just want to wear a formal dress like formal shirt
No.
with light color.
No,
And
bacha, no, I'm not talking about dressing
okay,
thing.
sorry, ma'am.
The
Can you please
first
repeat the
step.
question?
The question is, what will be the first step which you will do the moment you get the job notification? ठीक है, इंटरव्यू के लिए आपको वो नोटिफिकेशन आती है, मान लो आपके मेल पे आते हैं या मेल आई कि आपके इंटरव्यू है, देन फर्स्ट थिंग जो आप करते हो वो क्या होगी?
Okay, ma'am. So first thing that I want to do that I just want to get information about that company and what are the criteria which on I have to work, and also I polish my technical skills because they will going to ask technical term too, and
Yes, okay,
on
fine.
that
Yes, Sapna, you were right that yes, you will search about the company, but before searching about the company, the one thing is there, that is, Syed, will you please answer the first thing?
The first thing that everyone should do to review its the job description, what the qualification, what they gonna to require,
Right.
and what the qualification they need from me, and
Yes, absolutely right, Syed. Thank you so much. That is the first thing which we do. Others, please notice. यही मैं देखना चाह रही थी कि आप कितने ध्यान से मुझे सुन रहे हो, क्या मैं बकवास कर रही हूँ या कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट दे रही हूँ आपको?
No, ma'am. Actually, there is some maintenance issue because I'm not getting your voice clearly here. That's it.
It's okay. Otherwise, you were right. सपना, बाकी चीजें जो आपने बोली वो बिल्कुल सही बोली, क्योंकि आपका सेकंड स्टेप यही होता है कि आप फिर कंपनी के बारे में रिसर्च करते हो, लेकिन पहला स्टेप ये होता है कि आप पहले जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन को थॉरली पढ़ते हो। फिर आप जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन में 3 चीजें दी होती है, पहला तो टाइटल होता है, उसके बाद दूसरी चीजें होती है कि व्हाट आर योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज अकॉर्डिंग टू द टाइटल एंड व्हाट आर द रिक्वायर्ड स्किल्स और व्हाट people are asking you to have, which will make you eligible for that title. Okay, so these are the things that you will go through for the first time. Others जिनको नहीं पता था उनको भी I hope answer मिल जाएगा. You're most welcome. Okay. Apur, what will be the second step? First step was that. Second क्या?
Ma'am, research about the company. Do research about the company.
We will research about it. What will be the aspects of researching?
How company treats their employee, what do company give spaces to their employee, company's financial condition, and all about that. Do
सबसे
the
पहले we will
company
go for the
recently
company's financial condition. Then we'll go for the culture
yes,
of that company, right? Then we'll come to know about the competitors. These are the three aspects which you have to cover
yes,
while doing research about the company. Fine. Okay.
okay.
And if we have to know about the culture of the company, what and how we'll come to know about it?
Ma'am, read the comments by their current employee or their former employees on Google or Facebook, and this is the things.
Yes, on LinkedIn, on
Yes,
Facebook,
ma'am.
on Google reviews also. You can get to know about the culture of the companies, because there you get to know about the reviews and the views of the current and as well as the former employees. Okay,
Okay.
fine, good, nice. So
Thank
that
you.
was all, guys, कि आपने क्या पहनना है, ठीक है, ये आपका तीसरा स्टेप था. लड़कों के लिए भी I have told you what you are supposed to wear, and लड़कियों के लिए I
Ma'am,
have told you what you are not. हाँ जी.
ma'am, I have a question. Ma'am, can I wear a blue suit
Blue
with
suit, yes, of course you can, and with a white shirt or with a cream shirt or with a light pink shirt or with a light blue shirt, definitely.
yes, ma'am.
Blue has to be navy blue, dark blue, correct?
Okay, ma'am.
Or else people can also wear charcoal gray. Okay, so we have the next slide. In this, we will be talking about how to prepare for a phone interview. These days, you must be aware कि अगर आप उस location पे नहीं हैं, ठीक है, तो पहले आपका phone interview होता है, telephonic interview भी उसे कहते हैं. तो telephonic interview में क्या-क्या preparations आपको करने चाहिए? What are the things which you need to take care of? So सबसे पहला है that use the landline if you have at home. ठीक है, क्योंकि generally आपके मोबाइल में network issue कई बारी होते हैं और आपकी voice crack होती है, lagging होती है बहुत ज़्यादा. So what you can do is you can choose an option of landline if you have. If you do not have, then I cannot say it to you and I cannot force you. If you have access to a landline, you would be wise to use it for the phone interview, because mobile dropouts and black holes are phone interview killers. मतलब अगर आपकी आवाज नहीं आती है कुछ भी, तो definitely the other person will not take that much initiative. They do not have that much time. Not only is it the best connection option available, it will show commitment and efforts also. They will also be aware that chalo, you people have done some efforts to come for the interview. Then is eliminate distractions. Eliminate ka hi matlab, eliminate is the right word to remove something. Okay, eliminate distractions is turn off the TV, sit down and have all your phone interview preparation materials handy. Matlab, keep everything handy, keep everything around you. Whatever things are required for the preparations, whatever things are required for your interview, it has to be there around you. Don't have to get up. अगर आपको कुछ बोला जाए और आप कहो, just hold on, sir, I have to bring it. No, don't do that. That is not at all accepted during phone interview. You need to concentrate a little more during a phone interview to make sure you create or are in a quiet environment. While I'm taking your class also, I'm expecting you to be in a quiet place where you have less distractions so that you can focus more. Because while using these technology, while being on telephonic interview or telephone or on call or on video call, you have to be very much focused, है ना? आपको ज़्यादा focused रहना पड़ता है. Physical classroom में इतना ज़्यादा तो नहीं होना पड़ता है, but technology की use करते हुए, as we people are quite far और network issues होते हैं, आवाज़ clearly नहीं आती, so we need to focus more on at that particular time. Next thing is that you have to make a list of questions also. As I told you that you should also have questions which you can ask to the employer or which the employer can ask. So keep your notes close and put some thought into making a list of 3 written questions. Jot notes down during the phone interview and ask your questions clearly. पहले से ही आपके कुछ questions आपके ready होने चाहिए. If you have something in your mind, if you are, if you have second thought about anything, then you can simply note it down, jot down the points over there. And while doing the interview, while having the interview, while giving interview, That time also you can jot down certain points which you want to ask at the end of the interview. Next is to speak clearly. Definitely what is very, very important while you are on call, you need to speak very, very clearly. Obviously फिजिकल क्लासरूम में शायद मैं आपको ज्यादा अच्छे से समझ पाऊंगी और सुन पाऊंगी rather than कि जब आप मेरे साथ ऑनलाइन क्लासरूम में होते हो, क्योंकि कई बारी आवाज कम आती है, स्लो आती है, लैग करती है. तो व्हाट यू आर सपोज टू डू इज आपकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन बिल्कुल सही होना चाहिए. आप काफी स्लो बोलो, काफी मतलब बहुत स्लो नहीं, बट हाँ स्लो बोलना, पॉजेस लेना एंड लाउड रहना. Next is to be sure the interviewer can hear you, ensure you speak directly into the phone or headset. जो भी आपका headset है उसमें directly बोलो, ना कि कोई इधर उधर हो, क्योंकि कई बार ऐसा होता है जब आप अभी भी परफॉर्म करते हो आपकी आवाज मुझे कम सुनाई देती है लेकिन आपका ये माइक appropriate जगह पे नहीं होता. तो make sure that that is all okay. Let the interviewer finish speaking before responding to his or her question. उसके questions को आपने respond करना है तो have some patience. Don't be in a hurry. Let him or her complete the sentence. Then you'll speak. Be sure to smile while giving your answer. Yes, that is very, very important. You need to put a little bit of smile on your face when you are replying to his answers. अब ये नहीं कि बेवकूफी की तरह कुछ ज्यादा ही हंसने लग जाना when it is not required. That will give bad impression that you are making fun of the interviewer, as that person will be on video call or something. So make sure that you just have a smile, little smile on your face. Then even if the interviewer cannot see, then also your tone of your voice should be energetic and positive. अगर आप normal call पे हो तो definitely he will not be able to see, but the tone should be very polite, very soft and energetic too. ठीक है, positive sound करने चाहिए. Now you have to use proper etiquettes too. Etiquette is the manner. Remember etiquette की spelling यहाँ लिखी है, आज से याद कर लो because it is a spelling which is commonly misspelled by lots of people. So after the phone interview, it's a good idea to send the interviewer a thank you. क्या करना चाहिए हमें, अगर इंटरव्यू हो गया इंटरव्यू को एक थैंक यू नोट जरूर भेजना चाहिए. दैट विल गिव वेरी गुड impression. This would be a good opportunity to also reiterate your key points and show your interest in the role. उस थैंक यू नोट में आप डेफिनेटली अपने की पॉइंट्स को मेंशन कर सकते हो, अपनी चीजों को, अपने इंटरेस्ट को फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर रोल हाईलाइट कर सकते हो. देन यू हैव सैम्पल इंटरव्यू थैंक यू मेल लेटर है, इसकी स्क्रीनशॉट आप ले सकते हो गाइस. ये सैम्पल है फॉर दी थैंक यू लेटर जो आप और थैंक यू मेल जो आप भेज सकते हो अपने इंटरव्यूअर को. या यू हो, सबसे पहले आप उस इंसान का नाम लिखते हो विद dear Simon or whatever. Thanks for taking the time. Then you can mention whatever day it was, day and date, today, yesterday, आप लिख सकते हो. Then to discuss the role of, definitely you can insert the role name. तो आपका job discussion, job title का. It was great to meet you or it was great to talk to you. You will say I was really impressed with these. जो भी आपके इंटरव्यू के दौरान हुआ और जो आपने पॉइंट्स बहुत आपको पसंद आया हो, you can highlight it. Then as we discussed, I'm confident that my skills and experience most specifically. फिर आप अपने skills को वहाँ पे फिर से highlight करो कि ये skills हैं जो definitely will be suitable for the job title you people are offering us. Then I'm available to meet with you anytime. If you have any further questions, I look forward to hearing from you again. So I'm available to meet you के जगह पे, हाँ you can say yes, meet you definitely. अगर आपका इंटरव्यू फाइनलाइज हो गया तो आपको मिलने के लिए बुलाएंगे. So you can just tell them that yes, you are available anytime. And for any further queries, they can contact you on this email ID, and that is why you have written that. I look forward to hearing from you again. Take the screenshot of this sample because this will definitely help you to write email, which you people are not in a habit of, but later on in life, you have to only say email all the time. So remember all these things. That is all. There are a few more slides which I will cover it tomorrow. Yeah, there are 4 or 5 more, but I'll cover tomorrow, not today. I am having 6 minutes, and if you have any queries, you people can just simply raise your hand and ask the question before we. Ankit Kumar. Ankit, what would you like to ask?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Ankit.
Ma'am, what should be our posture while sitting in front of the interviewer?
What will be your posture while sitting? Your back should be straight. It should be straight, बिल्कुल straight होना चाहिए, ठीक है. Second thing, आप अपने पैर को बिल्कुल भी क्रॉस करके नहीं बैठोगे. It should also be straight and that too touching the floor. पैर को ऐसे उठा के ऐसे मोड़ के नहीं, आपके फ्लोर पे होना चाहिए, फ्लोर को टच करना होना चाहिए. आप बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट बैठो, आपके पैर शिवर नहीं करने चाहिए. And your hands should be on your laps. Don't fold your hands. Don't crisscross, means ऐसे cross करके मत बैठ जाना हाथ को. That gives very bad impression. That shows that you are not available for talking. ठीक है?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Almost welcome. And then we have Rahul Prabhakar. Posture के बारे में भी अभी आगे slides हैं. We'll get to know more about it. Rituraj, yes, what would you like to know?
Ma'am, actually I missed I missed the taking the screenshot of etiquette slide. Can you please again present that?
Etiquette.
Etiquette slide, ma'am.
Etiquette slide. Okay, guys, please share the slide with him. Okay, in the group, maybe he'll take it from there. Group से ले लेना ऋतुराज, ठीक है? Syed, would you like to ask something?
Ma'am, meaning of etiquette?
Etiquette, manners.
Manner. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Welcome. Next is Apurvanand.
Ma'am, I feel that sometimes I feel underconfident for presenting in interview. I mean, I was just thinking how to present in interview.
So you feel under pressure or under stress while performing, or under confidence when you are performing, or when you have to go for an interview. I can completely understand that happens because you're not very much used to it. And as you have already told me earlier, that ma'am, I do not have very, I'm not very much fluent with the language. And as you know that if you are going for interviews, you have to speak in English. So make sure that first of all you correct your language. Okay. Second thing, that be confident about your subject. अपने subject के बारे में knowledge पूरी लेकर जाना कि आपको पहले से इतनी confidence हो कि आप वहाँ पे ना घबराओ. Third thing, कि आप जब अपने appearance को अच्छी रखोगे, that will give great boost to your confidence during that time. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowledge.
Ma'am, one more point I want to
R&D
ask
is very
you.
important. Yes.
Ma'am, when we go for an interview, then there are lots of people come for the interview. So what we can think in the mind by looking on them?
By looking at them. And the people
Yes,
who are
ma'am.
sitting over there for
Sometimes
the
it
interview.
happened. No, ma'am. The people who came there to give interview. Sometimes we think that whether we are from this college or we are not good at this thing or that kind of things.
Why to focus on those people? No, don't focus on others. देखो, it happens. What happens is, मान लो किसी आप walk-in interview के लिए गए हो, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग आएंगे interview देने के लिए. आप उनको देख करके demoralize होने लगते हो कि यार, this person is carrying such a good bag. This person is carrying himself very well. I'm not looking that good. Don't focus on them. Just be sure about yourself. That is why I have given you tips and tricks. कि पहले ही आपको मैंने सारी चीजें बता दी कि आपको किन पे फोकस करना है. अगर आप ये चीजें करके जा रहे हो, तो चाहे कोई कुछ भी करके आए, आप बुरे नहीं लगोगे. ठीक है? अपना कॉम्प्लेक्शन हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं, अपनी हाइट को हम नहीं बदल सकते हैं, लेकिन जो हमारे पास है, मतलब जिस चीज को हम बदल सकते हैं, दैट इज आवर आउटर अपीयरेंस, जिससे कि हम डिसेंट दिख सके और सिंपल दिख सके, एलिगेंट दिख सके, वो तो हम करके जाएंगे ऑब्वियसली. तो यू डोंट हैव टू बी कॉन्शियस अबाउट अदर्स, लेट देम बी. ठीक है? You need to be confident at that particular time. चाहे कोई कुछ भी करके आया हो, I'm very much sure about my content. I'm very much sure about the skills which I possess, and nobody can, defeat me. Nobody can make me feel inferior at all.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Moving on to the next person.
Thank you.
You're most welcome. Rahul Prabhakar, what would you like to ask?
Ma'am, actually, I have not attending your class since Monday. Can you suggest how will I?
That is very good.
Can you suggest me how will I manage?
How will I manage? What?
I can.
If your mom's speaking and you have muted.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
No, I was saying that you are saying that you haven't attended the class since Monday. So 3 days you have not attended my class. How will you manage? I don't know how will you manage. Because
Ma'am,
there
where
was
is
one thing,
how can I get recording of this class?
recording of these classes you'll get on in the group itself. That is the
No, ma'am.
responsibility
Is
of
there
Pratap
no?
sir. That is the responsibility of Pratap sir. He will give you later on, maybe after the session is over, or these things will be uploaded on their site. So Pratap sir will let you know about it. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Ambuj Kumar, what would you like to ask?
Yes, ma'am. If someone has a long hair and a light beard, then he go for the interview, or he should be clean shaved and a proper hair cutting.
He should have a proper haircut and he should have clean shave. If you are
Oh,
going for a job, you need to be clean shaved at any cost. You cannot have
yeah, yeah, yeah.
light beard also.
Okay,
Acha,
ma'am.
Ambuj, you are asking because you always keep beard.
No, no, no. Just asking, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So you have to go for clean shave
Okay,
and
okay, ma'am.
have a
Thank you.
proper haircut.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Vivekanand, would you like to ask something?
Ma'am, is there any app where we practice conversation?
App. I've heard of some app that is English Talk or something करके talk करके कोई है app. You can just try it out. I have no clue because मैंने कभी try नहीं किया. I've heard it from others. So maybe that can help you out, or you search on Google, they will actually suggest you some apps. Rather than going for an app or something, I'll tell you that go for some person who talks to you or who chats with you in a realistic way.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, so I think I have answered to all your questions, and I'm also running out of time because I have next session right after this. So that is all for today. I hope this will help you out in your interview skills. And tomorrow also I'll cover few more slides on interview skills, and then we will have a mock session, mock interview with you people, where you have to come dressed up properly, and I will be the one who will be an interviewer, and you will be the one who will be interviewing. And also, I told you people to prepare feedbacks for the classes, and that has to be with proper sentences, not just 1 or 2 lines about the class, about the session. I want proper description. What were the good things about the class and what were the bad things about the class? Everything you can mention, whatever you feel like. If you want to give any suggestion, everything. Anjali Sotri, bad things, so I have noted it down. I'll definitely write it. Right, Anjali? Write down everything about the class, okay, in and out of the class that you have attended the session. There are people, I really appreciate them. I would like to give them a big round of applause. They have been with me throughout the session. They were quite attentive and they presented themselves really well. I hope कि 10 दिन में भी उन्होंने कुछ सीखा होगा, 10 दिन में भी उनको कुछ ना कुछ confidence उनका build up हुआ. And at this note, again, Apur wants to say something. Yes.
Ma'am, can you also feed just like the way we are giving feedback to you?
Sorry, I didn't get you, Apur. Your voice is lagging.
So that now am I clear?
Can you just switch off your camera and speak?
Hello. Ma'am, I'm telling you that will you give us feedback also, just like the way you are asking back from us?
Acha, can I give you feedback? अब हो तो तुम बहुत सारे, but I'll try to give you feedback. No doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give it. If I'll have time, definitely I'll give feedbacks about you all.
Okay.
Those who want, okay? So that is all, guys. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Take care of yourself. So I'm calling it a day over here as I have another session. Please revise the points which I have given it to you. That will help you out when we will have a mock interview. And yes, I had certain phrases also. I thought that I'll make sure that I'll show it to you today, but I couldn't. Maybe tomorrow, definitely, I'll show you. I have certain phrases which are very, very good and which will help you, or which you can use at your workplace. So guys, at this note, bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Take care. Bye-bye. Good night.